Coming to you live from the Thornton boat launch.
Yeah, buddy.
Gonna see if we can dodge some rain clouds. God gave us a couple of fish here before sunset. Little fall bass around here in Lake Shannon. And of course, Mr. Thornton already got his first fish on. Took him 2 casts. Or he's got himself a massive grass bass.
Oh, yeah.
Nope, that's a fish.
Hopefully. One in the boat.
Can't beat it.
1-0.
Yeah. It'll be about 15 to 3 here by the end of the day. Evening it up now with a nice, oh maybe, kind of foul hook.
Yeah, you kind of foul hooked it, even though that doesn't technically count. Good fish, man. Well, that's just because he came a lot foul hooked this year.
Nice. Thank you, Mr. Thornton.
You want to throw a scale on it?
I don't know.
2.5?
Yeah.
2.5. Nice.
E.T. number 2. Couldn't let me have the lead for more than 2 casts. That was nice of him. We got,
Whoop. Right to the freaking pad.
And that is number 3. Another largemouth. Beauty. This is what getting your ass kicked looks like. You can just pull. Yeah. Looks like we might get number 2. I'm not getting a total ass beating, although he's a little guy.
He's just a little guy.
He's just a little guy.
Barely hooked him at all.
A lot of times these things pop right out.
Almost hit some freaking geese. Beautiful.